Another important concept in this course is that of averages. The average of a set is equal to the sum of the samples in that set divided by the number of samples in it. We can say that the average A is equal to S over N, sum divided by the number of samples. But when it comes to weighted averages, mixtures and aggregations, what we would really need more often is the sum of samples. And this formula can be written as S is equal to A times N. S is what we would need more often. It will equal the average times the number of samples in the set. Let's look at a few simple examples to understand averages. We have been given a problem based on heights of students in class. We are provided with the heights of 4 students and have been asked for the average height. How do we find the average height? We just saw that it equals S over N, sum of samples over the number of samples. The sum will be the sum of these 4 numbers and the number of students is 4. So let's calculate this sum now. 140 plus 160 is 300 and this sum is also 300. 300 plus 300 is 600. And the sum is divided by 4. 600 over 4 gives us the average height as 150 centimeters. That's the average height of these 4 students. Average is simply dividing the sum equally among everybody in the sample. Here the sum was divided equally among the 4 students. So remember, average is equal to the sum of samples over the number of samples. Let's look at another easy problem. Here we've been told that the average weight of a class of 30 students is 60 kilograms. And we have been asked for the total weight of all the students together in that class. Pause the video and try to find the total weight. We note that the average is equal to the sum of samples over the number of samples. We have been given the number of students and we have also been given the average. We need to find S, which is the total weight of all the students in the class. Rewriting this formula a bit differently, we get S as A times N. A is 60 and N is 30. This will be equal to 60 times 30. That will equal 1800 kilograms. This is the sum of the weights of all the students in this class. So with this formula, given any of the 2 quantities, we can easily find the third. And this helps us a lot in weighted average problems, which we will cover soon.